Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the CRAVOT CyberRack E2 Hitch 2 e-bike rack with ramp. Click the link below for the best price. Let's start with build quality. The CyberRack E2 is built like a tank. With an impressive 200-pound total capacity, it can support 2 electric bikes up to 100 pounds each. That's more than enough for modern e-bikes, which are often too bulky for standard racks. Whether you're hauling commuter e-bikes, mountain e-bikes, or heavy-duty fat tire bikes, the E2 handles them with confidence. A standout feature is the integrated loading ramp. This makes lifting heavy bikes a thing of the past. You simply unfold the ramp, roll your e-bike right onto the platform, and secure it. It's fast, safe, and saves your back, especially if you're loading alone or dealing with extra heavy frames and batteries. This rack supports tires up to 5 inches wide, making it perfect for fat tire e-bikes and off-road builds. No need for extra adapters or modifications, just load and go. The foldable platform design is another highlight. When not in use, the rack folds up compactly against the rear of your vehicle, minimizing its footprint. It also features a tilt-back mechanism, allowing you to access the trunk or hatch of your car without removing the bikes, a thoughtful, real-world convenience. In terms of compatibility, it fits into any standard 2-inch hitch receiver, making it ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, minivans, RVs, and trailers. The rugged steel frame construction is coated with a durable black powder finish to resist rust, chips, and scratches, perfect for long road trips and all-weather conditions. Security hasn't been overlooked either. The rack includes locking frame clamps and heavy-duty wheel straps to keep your bikes firmly in place while you're driving. Once secured, the bikes stay stable, even on bumpy roads or off-road terrain. Each platform is adjustable to accommodate various wheelbases and frame sizes, so whether you're transporting compact city bikes or extended cruiser-style e-bikes, the CyberRack E2 adapts accordingly. The adjustable arms and hook clamps hold the frame securely without causing scratches or paint damage. Installation is simple and tool-free, with a smart pin locking system that lets you quickly mount or detach the rack without hassle. And because the ramp is detachable, you can easily remove it and store it inside your vehicle when not in use. To sum it up, the CRAVOT CyberRack E2 Hitch 2 e-bike rack is a heavy-duty, smartly designed bike carrier that makes transporting large, heavy, or fat tire e-bikes easier than ever. With its integrated ramp, 200 pounds weight capacity, foldable and tilting frame, and secure mounting system, it's ideal for electric bike owners who demand reliability, strength, and convenience. Click the link below for the best price. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth gear reviews like this.